Hey everybody, it's Danny. Welcome. And today I'm super excited because I have the Marshall Willen. I've been waiting on this thing for a month. It's long for me. Let's get this bad boy open. Spyderco. Okay, here we go. There we go. Okay. It comes with cables and a horrendous legal and safety. Well, I don't know why you need safety with this. Wow. Okay. I've never touched this thing before. I literally have never handled it. This is Marshall's first little baby speaker to compete with other micro speakers. It's IP67, it has 15 hours of battery life advertised, and it's got a quick charge that will get you up to 3 hours from a 20-minute charge. So that's a popular feature they've been incorporating. It also is apparently capable of doing the Marshall stack mode, which is like the party mode for other speakers, where you can put it with other Willens. So we'll test that out here. The little bicycle strap, so you can put it on your finger. It's got USB-C on it, and it's got this little beautiful golden toggle knob here, which I'm kind of excited about because the other speakers usually have to have like 4 or 5 buttons to control it. So I'm curious how that's going to work. So let's turn it on. How do I turn it on? Oh, I probably hold the gold button. And there it goes. It's on. Heck yeah. Connect. It's setting up. So let's give it a quick, just a first impression sound check.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt.
It's loud.
Never really know just what you're.
It's good. That's a really good sounding speaker. Yeah, that sounds awesome. I kind of want to play with these little toggle switches and see what I can do. So I'm going to play the song.
You don't understand the pain it brings.
I'm going to turn the song down. All right, let's see what the toggle switch does. Left. Okay, it restarts the song, so that's cool. Oh, what about away from the speaker? Nope, just restarts it again. Okay, useless. Oh, yeah, up. So up goes volume up, and then toggle it down to go down. So cool, that makes sense. And then if you click it, it just pauses. Okay, so I'm assuming that's a pause. Let's see. Yeah, that's a pause. So I love that little toggle switch. Yeah, it gets pretty. Oh, does it have a microphone? It does.
You don't understand the pain.
Oh shoot. Okay.
Hello.
Hey Siobhan. Hey.
How's it going?
It's good. I'm just calling you. I'm recording my video, and I needed to test the microphone on the Willen.
Are you calling me from the speaker?
I'm calling you from the speaker. Well, like you know, my phone's calling you, but I'm doing the Bluetooth through the speaker. So.
I would say it actually sounds clearer.
Really?
Than normal. Yeah.
Okay. Bye.
All right. Bye.
That's awesome. That's the first one that's ever had a speaker, so that's kind of amazing. Stack mode. 2, 3. Oh, they stack. Oh, I'm turning it up. Yeah, it works. It's working. It's both. It sounds good.
Silhouettes of you are like a
Wow.
taunt. Never really know just what you want.
That's awesome.
With you, I don't ever feel calm. I can feel sweat inside.
It sounds really good. I mean, any speaker's going to sound good when you have like 2 of them combined. But that sounds beautiful. That is a game changer for me for Marshall speakers because that just opens up the sound. And I'm really happy to see that these both talk to each other. And it's not like it has to be another Willen. So that's exciting. To conclude, talking about the Willen sound, my first impression is that it actually does have that weirdly warm Marshall tone to it. Like it just, for me, what that is it's like you can feel the air in the studio or something when they're playing. That's the best way I can describe it. Other people might call that white noise or something, or pink noise, or I don't know, ambient noise, but That's what the speaker has. It sounds really good, and I'm really impressed, especially for the size. So anyways, thanks for watching. I will catch you on the next video where I'm going to be comparing the Willen to 3 other speakers of the same size. So I will see you later. Bye!